Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel Stuffs to Review, where today I'm gonna tell you easy tips to use the Philips One blade. So without much ado, let's go ahead. Tip number 1. Hold the blade flat against your face to achieve a smoother and finer shave. Tip number 2. Use long strokes. It makes it easier and faster. Tip number 3. Use it in any direction, be it this way or that way, making it simpler and hassle-free. Just use it in any direction. Tip number 4. Simply attach the comb and go against the grain. It easily helps you to style and trim. Tip number 5. After use, you can easily rinse clean for after uses. And in the end, just wash yourself, watch yourself in the mirror, and yes, my boy, you are ready to rock the party.